Nancy is selling watches for $5 each. Create a graph to represent this situation. Which point will the line pass through? So to create a graph, we need to think about what points we're going to have on the graph, first of all. So we think this is going to be the number of watches, and that will be X. Money is almost always Y. So W for watches, money sign for money. I know it's a dollar sign. So 1 watch, 2 watches, 3 watches, 4 watches. And then as far as how much that will cost, 1 will cost 5, then 10, 15, and 20. Now those are going to be our points. And we check out 1 to the right and 5 up. Or let me label these axes first. This one's money, and this one's watches. So 1 to the right, 5 up. 2 to the right and 10 up. Okay, we can hardly even fit this here. And then we will draw a line through that. And maybe you made this y-axis go by 2s or even go by 5s, and that would allow you to make more points on here. But I decided not to do that in this case. So then we make a line that goes through. I understand it's not the neatest graph that you've ever seen in your life, but there's a graph. And as for which point will the line pass through, well, you probably could have found that out even without making a graph and just making this table, but I'm not going to give you the answer. I need you to figure that out on your own.